Are you ready to flip your dog and turn into a rock star? Let's give it a try. I'll just demonstrate first, and then we're going to do some progressive moves on how to get there. All right, here we go. I'll go to the other side. Okay, that was fun. Let's try it together. We'll build up to get to there. We won't just jump right into that posture. So first we want to do a little bit of a warm up. You could see that that had a big uplifting feeling through the chest and the heart, and a bit of a back bend, and it requires a fair amount of strength. So we want to make sure that we warm up well. And we can do that by bringing the hands together in front of the heart, warming up that thoracic spine, and then just open and lift that chest, and then bring your hands back together. And let's do that a few more times, squeezing the shoulder blades back, lifting up and relaxing. 2 more times, open and relax. And open and relax. Now let's take it to the tabletop position. Nice way to just warm up the entire spine. Let's do some cat and cows. Inhale, tail up for the cow, and exhale, tail down for the cat. Just take a few more. Inhaling and exhaling. 2 more. Inhale, exhale. 1 more. Inhale and exhale. And back to tabletop. Let's work a little bit on our abdominal strength. So we're going to tuck the toes, and we're just going to lift and lower the knees just a couple of inches. You're going to push down to lift your knees up, and then let your knees come back down and relax. 3 more times. Push down, feel that lift up through the navel, and the knees down and relax. 2 more. Push down, lift up through that navel and down. And 1 more. Lifting up and down. All right, getting into the posture. Keeping your toes tucked, your right knee is going to come up and back for variation. To keep the knee at hip height, and then bring that knee back down. 2 more, lift it up and lower and up and lower. Let's add on to that. Lift it up, keep it at this height, and remember this shape, and then you're just going to turn your knee out to the side like that fire hydrant pose. And then bring your knee back to that shape that we were in. 2 more, take it out to the side, open up, bring it back to where we were, and then open up here, hold it here. Now you're going to take your left hand off to the left, your left foot kicks off to the left a little. Pour all your weight into your left hand to reach your right arm up, open up. Feel that expansion and breathe there. All right, from here, now that right foot that's up in the air is just going to gently tap down behind us to the ground. And then you let your hips come down as well. There you go. You just did a half of a flip of a dog. And then from here, we can go into that rock star. Think about the foundation. So that's going to be your feet and your left hand. They're going to push down, and you're going to reach up through that top arm to get you into the posture. We'll come up and down 3 times. So push down, lift your hips up, reach your arm over your ear, rock star. Come back down. 2 more. Push and reach. And come back down. The last time, when we do our reach, after we do the reach, we're just gonna flip over onto tabletop. Inhale, lift up, so you feel that you're on your left knee. So just go ahead and swing that right hand down and the right knee down. There you go. Let's do the other side. Tuck the toes. Inhale, left knee up to hip height. Exhale, down. 2 more. Inhale, up. Exhale, down. Inhale, up. Keep it up. Do the fire hydrant. Left knee out to the left. Keep it high. And then turn your left knee to face the mat. 2 more. Keep it up high and open up to the side. And then just turn your chest so it's looking to the mat. 1 more, lifting up through that top knee. And now turning to face the mat again. Let's find that foundation to get ready for the next bit. Right hand goes out to the right. Right foot kicks off to the right. Pour your weight into your right hand so you can lightly lift your left arm up and open up and reach up. Big breath here. And now that left foot is going to lightly touch down behind you. And here comes your bum. All right. Ready? Let's go into that rock star. Think about the push down into the foundation as you reach up through your top arm over your head. And then come back down. 2 more, reach. And come back down. Next one, after we do the reach, then we'll flip ourselves to tabletop. Inhale, reach, expand, and then left hand down, left knee down. Yay, we did it. All right, ready for a downward dog flip? Let's do it. Tuck the toes, inhale, exhale, hips up and back, down dog. Get comfortable in your dog, take a couple of breaths. Feel free to move around a little. All right. Bringing the big toes together, bend your right knee, and then lift your right knee up to your hip height, somewhere around there. And then you're going to open your right knee out to the right. Notice how your chest also moves to the right. Now we're going to spin our left heel towards the left as we also start to take that right foot back behind us. And then go ahead and reach your right arm up, open up, expanding. Beautiful. You can even put your bum to the floor here. And then let's reach back up again. So now this time the left leg is going to be straight and you're going to be reaching through that left foot. So think about that reach through the left foot and the reach through the right arm. The foundation pushes down. Inhale, reach up, get expansive, and come back down. This time, let's see if we can flip ourselves into our push-up position. First, find your reach. Inhale, reach, and then from there, slowly with control, right hand starts to come down, right foot lifts up, and then you twist your body to face the mat for the push-up position. Let's go for the other side. Shifting back, down dog. Get that comfortable dog again. Bring the big toes together. Bend your left knee. Lift your left knee up to hip height or a little higher. And then turn your left knee out to the left. Start to spin your right heel towards the right. At the same time, you start to lift your left hand and also take your left toe down. Really nice and slow. Right now, you can just come right down to your hips. And then let's point through the right foot and reach through the left arm. 2 more times. Inhale, push down to reach, and then come back down. Next time, we'll go nice and slow and we'll flip it over to that push-up position. first find your rock star, reaching, and then slowly with control, you're pivoting on your right foot as the left hand comes down and the left foot comes down. Coming down to your knees, take a little rest in child's pose, and then slide your hands back and bring your hands to your heart. There you go, rock star.